Today we are going to look at product bundles. And what are product bundles? These are kind of a setting that allows you to be able to sell multiple items as one batch. So this is a game changer for the people that, for example, are doing electronics. And today we are going to see an example of a shopkeeper who wants to sell for example, a mobile phone, and then earphones, and probably something like a charger together. So the moment you sell, let's say for example an OnePlus 20 mobile phone, it goes as the gadget itself, the earpods, and the charger. And therefore we are going to set up that example so that I show you. We create a new item here, and let me see whether I can copy these names instead of let's just go ahead and put it. So we do OnePlus, and we're going to do 20, and this is going to be mobile phone or smartphone. We call it smartphone. Mobile 20 we may need. So this one we create, no need to change any of this, but we can say that this is a product. We save, that comes. Then we add another. This is mobile 20 earpods, and this is also a product. All right, we save. And the third item that we want to add here is the charger. So we are going to have charger. All right, this is also a product. So these are the three products that are going to be going when we sell, right? You notice that in our stock we have set each one of them as a product. We need to create one more product that is a product bundle. So we can call this, for example, bundle. You can give this in whichever name that you want. So as long as the name is going to help you identify what exactly you are selling. So we can also see this is a product, but there is something very important we need to do here. Number one, we need to uncheck this maintain stock, because we are not maintaining stock for this. We want to use this as a bundle. Number two, when you go to purchase settings up here, you need to allow to disable allow purchase, because we are not going to be purchasing this item that we are calling a bundle. This instead is a bundle that we have set up so that you can be able to sell. So for example, if you go to sales, you are going to leave this allow sales, and every time you sell it, it will deduct the three items that we said are going to go with it. So this one here. So you put a name, disable maintain stock. We are not tracking stock for this one. And then in the purchase, remove this. We are not going to be buying this in bundles, right? And that is it. These are the four items we need. The other thing we need to do is to set up a product bundle now. This is where we are going to tell the system that these things are grouped into one, all right? So we go here and we set a parent item. You notice that the parent item, the only thing we are seeing there is the product we set as a bundle. Everything else is not there. And we can decide to put this one here. You can give this again whichever description, as long as it helps you to, you know what you're talking about. And then here now you need to select your product. So sorry, this is not that, this is charger, and then it is going to have the earpods, and then it is going to have the smartphone, right? So every time we sell this bundle, we are going to sell one charger, one smartphone. We can even do two chargers and one earpods, yeah, and we save it. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is how we need to set a product bundle. The next thing I need to do is to show you how it actually works. So I'm going to go into sales stock balance first, so that I show you how the report looks. And you notice that where are our things? We don't have the OnePlus is here. That is because we don't have their stock. So we need to buy them first. Let me leave that report there. And then I go here. Let me enlarge this a little bit. I go to purchase invoice. I want to raise a purchase invoice quickly, and then I buy those stuff, yeah. So supplier, I'm going to pick any. I don't mind about the supplier. And then here, remember, we are buying these things as individuals, yeah. We are not buying them then the smartphone. So here we are going to buy 10 of these each. We buy 10 of each. Okay, and then the rate, the charger maybe is around 4,000. The earpods could be something like 30,000, and the phone itself is around 120,000. And we save, and then we submit this. After we are done with that, we are going to go ahead and receive the stock. We are going to receive everything. So oh yeah, we need a warehouse. So accepted warehouse, we can just put it as stores. It's going to put for all of these. So we save it and we submit. Perfect. Now if we go back to this report and rebuild it, we should find that our items are here now. You see here, down here, we have 10 of these guys. We have 10 chargers, we have 10 earpods, and we have 10 smartphones here. Now let's go and sell them. Now when we are selling, when we raise a sales invoice, we will sell one product, and that is where the game changer is, ladies and gentlemen. So let's sell to any of these guys, and the only thing we are going to do here is to sell the bundle, and we are going to sell one bundle and the rate of say 230,000, and that is it. So you notice I sold one of these, so I save and submit. Let me confirm again, 1 plus 10T bundle, yeah, and then I submit. Remember, the sales invoice does not touch stock, so we need to do a delivery, and then we save and we submit. Or we need to set up a warehouse again. So the source warehouse is going to be our stores warehouse. Remember, that's where we are getting these items from, and then we save. Now when we come back to our report and we rebuild it, what we are expecting is that these items are going to be deducted, and you actually see that. So the 1 plus charger, remember we put that every time we sell one smartphone, we get 2 chargers, we get 1 earpod, and we get 1 smartphone, and that is exactly what has happened. So we are getting 9, 9, and 8 there. Also in this delivery, if you view the stock ledger, you're going to find that the same thing has happened. You see that? So this is what has happened, and that is the product bundling, ladies and gentlemen. If you have any questions or any clarification, as usual, please drop that thing in the comment section, and we are happy to help you.